You have just under 20 seconds to lock your fan scores for Mark McDonald and El Toro Loco here in the donut competition. Make sure you move that BKT tire up and down to the score is deserving of El Toro Loco here in the donut competition. And make sure you think of SIN if you haven't gotten to that page yet. SIN, move the BKT tire up and down for El Toro Loco here in the donut competition. 10 seconds to lock in your fan scores. Will Mark McDonald and El Toro Loco have enough from your fan scores at judgezone.com here in the donut competition to grab a first place, the score to be in a possible win at 8 points?
And the score for